Hi everybody, welcome to Ash & Co Workshops. This is a quick update video for you if you bought one of our 6 arch rainbow kits before the 18th of May 2020. Up until that date, we shipped out all of our Osmo colour kits with yellow, red and blue, and that allows you to make all of the colours you can see in front of you here. However, we did get some feedback that when you get to the kind of purple or indigo colours, it's really difficult to mix, and that's because the red and the blue colours are very dark. And so after thinking about it a lot, we decided that in the future we would also include a white in the packet. Now we do charge a little bit more for that as well, but so all the kits leaving today go out with these 4 colours, and that allows you to lighten the colours back a bit and lets you make these kind of colours here. Now, obviously there'll be some people that are caught in the crossover from when we did that who've got the three colour kit. So we're going to offer an upgrade for you guys. For just £1.50, we will ship out to you the extra colour and a few more bits and bobs so that you can mix these colours too if you would like it. Of course, you don't need to do that. With these 3 colours, you can make this rainbow, no problem at all. To get the purple colour, you just mix the blue and the red together in equal quantities, and that will allow you to get the kind of colour that you see here. If you would like the lighter colours though, send us an email at hello@ashandcompany.co.uk and we will get it shipped out to you straight away. So I hope that helps, and I can't wait to see your rainbows when you finish them. Thanks, bye.